Hi friends, this is Sudarshan. Welcome to iWorldSoft India. In today's screencast, we are going to take a look at Inkscape, basics of Inkscape. This is a front screen of Inkscape. Whenever you launch this application, you will see it like this. Now, the first thing is to draw a rectangle. I want to draw a rectangle. Selecting this rectangle creates a rectangle. Now this tool is started. Clicking and dragging will create a rectangle. Now why it is not visible? If I release my click, it will show up, but the problem is why it is not showing here, because stroke is none and fill is also nothing. So maybe whenever I have closed this is default. Inkscape keeps defaults, so I will double click over here on fill. Double clicking on fill will bring up fill and stroke dialog. I can middle click and move this canvas like this. Now I will give fill as let's give it a blue color, this one. Okay, then stroke paint black color, but it is not visible. Why it is not visible? Width, I want to increase this width. It is black color with alpha. This is transparency, and here RGBA, this is code for color. If you have code, you can directly enter here, that color will get applied. Okay, and if you want to pick some color, like I want to pick this yellow color, then I can pick it using dropper. See this dropper. Okay, dropper will not work outside of this window. Okay, so dropper will only work inside of this window, not outside of this window. So this is select tool. By using select tool, I can modify the shape of this rectangle. This is very versatile tool. If you want to close this, you can close this and bring it in front of you. Holding control and see, holding control, I can zoom in and out. Alternatively, I can zoom in and out from here, and panning will be middle click and drag. Okay, now this is a rectangle. I will shrink it to size somewhat like this. Now dimensioning, I want this rectangle to be exactly 50 mm by 20 mm. How to do that? Let's take a look. This XY width and height. Okay, width and height are actually not visible here, so I will just increase it a bit. Okay, so this is width and height settings, and this is unit. I will make this unit as mm, and width I will make it 50. This is 50, and height I will make it as 20. So this is exactly 50 by 20 rectangle I have created. So this 50 by 20 rectangle, whenever I take a print out of this page, it will be exactly of 50 by 60 height. This is the most important thing in Inkscape. You can create all printouts with correct dimensioning, but let me tell you, you cannot export this to PDF and then take printout. Dimensions will not be correct. You have to directly give printout from Inkscape. Okay, I will shrink down this window, and if I click on this and print preview, this is the print preview. This is our page. This is our page, and this is a rectangle. This is exactly 50 by 20 height. This one is important. Okay, now I want to draw a circle. This is circle. It can be an ellipse or a circle, but if I hold down a shift control key, I can draw a circle easily. It will snap to circle, but not like this. It can get ellipse also, but to if I move exactly at 45 degree, I can draw a circle. Okay, so this is the circle. You can see defaults are the same. Previously I have created rectangle, now there is a circle, but both of are the same color. Now I will select tool, selecting a circle and then different color. This is way too bright. Okay, so this is circle and this is rectangle. Now what to do if I want to place this circle back of this or bring this rectangular front? How to do it? Click on rectangle and click page up key. It will bring it front. This is as simple. Okay, now I want to place this rectangle exactly at the center. Let's make some copies of this. Copies. Okay, these are the circles. Let's reduce this. Somewhat to plus or minus. These are the circles. Just I want to reduce all sizes. Selecting all, I can reduce. Clicking on control, it will keep the aspect ratio. Okay, now I want to arrange all these in between this, all this in this line. I'll have to select all, then selecting all, then arrange. Where is arrange? Align and distribute. It will open align and distribute dialog. You can align center, these are all centered. You can distribute using gaps. See, now this gap will be equal in all objects. If I do it with centers, this gap may not be equal because these circle sizes are different. Usually we do like this. I can group this. See, whenever I am selecting this, only one item is getting selected. I can select all and press Ctrl G. It will group this. Okay, now I want multiple copies of this. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. This is like a pattern. Now I can arrange these groups using align and distribute command. I'll select all groups and align center. It will get exactly at the center, and then distribute vertically with gaps. So this is pretty simple. Now after this, I can group this also. Now what if I want to edit this group? I want to go inside of this group. What to do? Just double click. It will open the first rectangle, and now you can access individual subgroups. Clicking on this subgroup, it will go inside a step more, and you can access individual object. I can make it bigger. If you want to come out, just click on another object. I came out. And if you want to completely come out, you will have to press Control page up. So now this is the final. These are some basics of aligning and distributing, zooming. In next screencast, we will take a closer look at other functions. So have a nice day and see you soon.